Contacts are the heart of your CRM, and everything else in GoHighLevel connects back here. You may see some sample contacts that you'll want to remove, but for now, it's helpful to leave them for the tutorial. To add a new contact, click the Add Contact button in the top right. Fill in your contact details, and click Save. This will open the contact view, where you have their information on the left. You can message them directly in the center with email, or if they have a number, you'll see WhatsApp or SMS here. And on the right, you'll see their activity, tasks, notes, and more. If you're coming from another system, or you have a full list of leads to add, you can also import contacts. Click the back arrow or Smart Lists to return, and then click the Import button and follow the 4-step process. In step 2, GoHighLevel provides a sample CSV file that makes it easy to arrange your data. And once you upload your sheet, you'll map your columns to fields, which is pretty straightforward if your column names match up. After you verify and start the import, your new leads will be added to the platform. If it's taking a while, you can check the process of long-running imports under Bulk Actions. You can also show the list of contacts that you imported in this file by clicking the 3 dots action menu and Show Imported.